recently we went traveling around the islands with Carnival Cruise, and they asked us if we could make a recipe in our home inspired by the different islands that we could all make at home wherever you are in the world. And so I thought it'd be fun to share one of our family favorites, which you've seen on my page a lot, which is an acai bowl. And you can make this anywhere you are, and it's really easy to make, and it's definitely something you can get on any Hawaiian island in pretty much any town you go to. So we'll just get right to it. So the first step to make a good acai bowl is to have really frozen base, and if you have two things out of anything else, and technically this wouldn't be an acai bowl, but you could do it anywhere in the world, is frozen blueberries and something creamy like a banana. And if you just have these two things alone, you could make an epic bowl. The trick to getting that thick consistency is to use as little liquid as possible, and it really helps to have a good high-powered blender or food processor. But yeah, it's all about the blend and mash, You just stop, blend, stop, and then all of a sudden it's going to turn into like this thick, soft serve ice cream consistency. So yeah, mostly all frozen for the base. Okay, so we didn't end up using any liquid, but we didn't need any. So here it is, not bad. Just smooth it all on down. And then we're gonna top it with some goodies. Looks like a barrel. So most acai bowls have banana on top. That's like signature right there. One way that you can cut your banana good too is just leave it half in the peel, and then just cut on a diagonal like so, and then you can fan them out on your bowl and it will look pretty. If you like a little tang, lily koi or passion fruit is awesome, and sometimes they make this into like a jam or a butter, and it's really good glazed on top of a bowl. Or you can just put it on like this, and you can just scoop it out seasonal. So we'll just put two aside. Oh, I think this is gonna be a good one. Mangoes are already back in season, so gonna tax that. And then if you were wondering how to cut it, I know I was showing this before, but we'll do some diamond shapes. Or maybe not, we'll see. If you cut it on a diagonal, you're gonna get some pretty diamonds, and then you just pop it out the bottom like this. So yeah, you can just cut them off, or just put it on the bowl like this. Okay, acai bowl 101. This is your base. We forgot to put the frozen strawberries in it, so it's just mango, blueberry, banana, and acai, and it still tastes awesome, so don't even worry about it. And we're gonna put some fresh blueberries on the corner here of each bowl. Don't ask me why, but I like to make things kind of moon shape because I think it looks pretty. And then we're gonna take some banana and place her on the edge as well. Just like comme ça. And then other banana. There you go. And then some granola. You can make your own or buy some organic one. This is just the Whole Foods or Celestial Foods bulk section one. This is shredded coconut. And I really like shredded coconut that doesn't have a bunch of sugar added to it. There's enough sweetness from the bowls. If you're a texture person and you like chewy, this is just like dried blueberries and strawberries and craisins, and they taste really good when they hit the cold. So, and then lilikoi. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put one in right like that. And then this one I'll scoop in just so you can see it. I think I'll do it across the bananas. And then we're gonna cut up because these bowls are too small to put a full mango in. So we're just gonna put some mango right in the middle. Oh, how does that fall? So yeah, that's it. It's super easy, and if you're not filming it, it takes like only 5 minutes. So yeah, you can make it anywhere, and you don't have to use these ingredients. You could swap in like pears and peaches, and any kind of soft fruit works really good if you're making acai bowls, and or just blueberry banana, and you're gonna make an amazing bowl. So yeah, that's it.
Sugar now you